As a gamer, I want to move this shooter using the 4 arrow keys. This shooter moves to the right by 10 pixels with the right arrow key. This shooter moves to the left by 10 pixels with the left arrow key. The shooter moves upward by 10 pixels with the up arrow key, and the shooter moves downward by 10 pixels with the down arrow key. As a gamer, I want to move the shooter without leaving the game scene so the shooter does not disappear from the screen. At the right edge of the screen, the shooter does not move to the right with the right arrow key press. At the left edge, the shooter does not move to the left with the left arrow key press. At the 330 wide pixel line, the shooter does not move above that line with the up arrow key press. At the bottom edge, the shooter does not move downward with the down arrow key press. At the 4 corners of the game scene, the shooter stays inside the game scene after pressing the arrow keys. As a color target, I want to continuously move downward from the top of the screen so I can exhibit a falling effect. The paint targets fall from the top of the screen. Paint targets fall at a rate of 0.5 megapixels per second. As a color target, I want to fall fast when crossing a certain point so I can exhibit game over. Paint targets fall at 20 megapixels per second rate when crossing the game over line at 320 wide pixel mark.